I'm Brooke. I'm a leasing consultant here at the Curve Apartments. Today I'm going to show you apartment number 110. This is an A6 floor plan, 962 square feet. This is one of our larger one bedrooms. You come on in. Welcome. So over here we have the kitchen. We have these beautiful modern flat panel cabinets and the quartz countertops, gas range stove, dishwasher, ice maker, in the freezer and garbage disposal. This unit has hardwood flooring throughout. Beautiful open living room with the floor to ceiling windows. Now something that makes this apartment very unique is this beautiful large patio. If you follow me out here. Now you would be able to utilize this whole space with some outdoor furniture, get some sun on a beautiful day like this. Now over here we have additional closet space. We have your pantry, your coat closet, and then we have this extra space that you can use for your dining table, or you can use this even as an office with your desk right over here. Follow me into the bedroom. Huge bedroom with a beautiful window here that allows some natural light in. And then you have a huge walk-in closet. And then we have your bathroom this way. Beautiful finishes in the bathroom as well. In this closet here, you'll find your washer dryer. And then another linen closet. Thank you for touring with us. We hope we see you soon.